May borrows 10,000 pesos at 5% annual simple interest for 3 years. How much is the total interest? How much is the total amount to pay? So, review tayo for simple interest. Mathematics of investment. So, simple interest. Kahit hindi mo alam or hindi mo naaalala yung formula ng simple interest, kayang-kaya mo itong isolve kung i-analyze mo yung problem. So, unang tanong, how much is the total interest? So, yung hinahanap, yung total interest na babayaran after 3 years dahil yung time ay 3 years. So, in solving this problem, so meron tayong principal dito, yung pera na hiniram. Meron din tayong rate, yung rate ng interest. At meron din tayong time, yung kung gaano katagal yung babayaran. So, we have principal, rate, and time. So, i-multiply mo lang yung tatlo to get the simple interest. So, yung principal ay 10,000 pesos. Tapos, yung rate ay 5%. Yung 5% gawin mong decimal number, magiging 0.05. Always remember na kapag percent, always convert to decimal number by simply moving two decimal places. Yung 5%, yung decimal number, i-move mo lang yung decimal places to the left, isa, dalawa. Add ka ng isang 0, tapos decimal point, at kunin, wala na ang percent symbol. So, ganyan lang kasimple mag-convert ng percent to decimal. So, 0.05 times yung time ay 3 years. So, take note that kung ang time given ay months, so kailangan mo pa yung i-divide by 12 dahil ang formula is always, time is always in years. Equals, so 10,000 times 0.05 times 3, so 10,000 times 0.05, that is 500. So, ibig sabihin, yung interest kada taon ay 500. Diba? Yung 10,000 na principal or yung pera na hiniram, i-multiply mo sa 0.05, 500 ang 5% ng 10,000. Ito yung kada taon, yung annual. So, i-multiply natin sa time para makuha natin kung magkano ang total interest sa loob ng 3 taon. So, diba? Kahit hindi mo alam itong formula, masasolve mo yan. So, napakadali lang talaga ng simple interest. So, 500 kada taon, multiply mo sa 3 years. So, ang total interest na babayaran ay 1,500 pesos. So, now, second question. How much is the total amount to pay? So, magkano yung total amount na babayaran ni May pagkatapos ng 3 years? So, siyempre, principal, 10,000 plus yung interest na 1,500. Therefore, pagkatapos ng 5 taon, ay ng 3 taon, si May ay magbabayad ng 11,500 pesos. Or depende na sa kanila yun kung ano yung bayaran. Kung paano yan babayaran ni May. So, hindi nabanggit sa problem, kaya problema na nila yun. So, ayan. The total amount to pay is 11,500. So, yung total interest sa loob ng 3 taon plus yung principal or yung pera na hiniram, so 11,500.